So hello, how you going? So Russia has invaded Ukraine, and this just proves that the United States is correct all along. And I know you people who hate the United States don't like America being correct. So you're going to make lots of excuses for why Russia invaded Ukraine. You're going to all defend Ukraine. Oh yeah, but Ukraine wanted to join NATO. Oh, but NATO expanded east. Hey, if Russia invades a place, it's Russia's fault. It's not the United States. If Russia kills your mum, Russia done it, not the United States. So you people defending Russia, you're just so pathetic actually. What else? I've got nothing much else to say. This just proves that the United States was right. Now, a lot of people don't like the United States being right, even when they're wrong. It's just so sad. Hopefully, Ukraine can inflict a lot of casualties on Russia. Maybe 10, 50,000 dead Russian soldiers, yeah? That would be good. Maybe we should actually kick Russia out of the SWIFT system. It'll have a lot of pain on the Europeans, but Europe can't really, why is Germany going, oh, it's not Russia. Why are they doing that to Russia? I know they've got energy concerns, but Russia's not your friend. Maybe you can ask Australia to supply gas. Instead of supplying it to China, we could supply it, I think we supply it to China. We could supply it to Europe, and that will benefit our allies a lot more because China's not our ally either. Just so sad. Hopefully, the Russians themselves can get rid of Putin. He's obviously turned into a problem for Russia, and they're going to have to deal with their own problem. So, and after that, maybe Lukashenko can, get a bullet through the head. Anyway, thank you and goodbye.